In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious crispy chicken fingers recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 chicken breasts sliced, 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of paprika. In a container, add in the flour, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Mix together. Add the lid to the container and shake to completely combine. In a separate container, add in the buttermilk and the chicken strips and coat them completely. Cover with the lid. Place this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Remove the chicken from the buttermilk and coat completely in the flour mixture. Once coated, place on a cooling rack over a baking sheet. Fry each chicken strip in oil on each side for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Once golden brown, take out onto a paper towel lined plate. While warm, sprinkle with salt. Our crispy chicken fingers are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.